Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll have a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT in Silver Ice. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 49,000 miles on the odometer, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5816.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.